Hi. Since version 5.4.1 of Docespresso, it is possible to create dynamical rules to preconfigure template variables in order to speed up the process of converting a Word document into an automated process. The main goal of this screencast is to show you how. If you're a platform admin, you need to go to Settings and click on the Template Preconfig menu entry. You should start by creating your first rule by clicking on the Add New Rule button. A pop-up appears and you're asked to provide a rule name, choose a match operator, add a key, decide if it is going to be an image type variable or not. By choosing in this case email as a rule name, starts with as operator, and email underscore as key, the system will apply the rule to all template variables that start with the string email underscore. Click on the Save Rule button and a default configuration will be added that can be modified at will at this point by clicking on the Default Config button. In this case, we will just set up the label, type and format, and we'll ask the variable to be compulsory. We can at any later time modify the general rule metadata or the default config. We may now add an additional rule associated with signature panels. Click again in Add New Rule and now check the image checkbox. We will call this rule Signature, and the operator will be this time contains with key value sign. Now for the default config, we will choose as source signature pad and a max file size of 1 megabyte. We also add an extended help text and click Save as before. You can now keep adding as many rules as you wish, but notice that they will be applied in order. If there is a variable that matches more than one rule, the last one will be the one applied, so reorder the rules using a specificity criteria if needed. Do not forget to click on the Save Configuration option, and let us now put this configuration to work with a sample template. We have just written in Word a very simple template, and like you can see here, we have a variable that is called email underscore signer that matches one of our rules, and if I click in this image, the variable name is signature that also matches the rule that we use for the image. Okay, so we just save this and upload it to Docespresso. We just drag and drop the template as usual. It is converted to a web page and we're going to save it like in the test folder, save template. And like you can see, without no further configuration, if I do a preview of this template, I get that the email does not validate unless I write the correct email. Okay, and if I click on the signature, a signature pad pops up. And of course I have here the additional help text that we included in the pre-configuration of that variable. Okay, of course at any time we can edit this template and change any of the options that we have pre-configured. For example, we can change the label. Okay, this is all. We hope that you find this new functionality useful and that it will help you to save some time in the parameterization of new templates from now on.